Welcome to a quick reference guide to top tools for improving quality and speed. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Lean Six Sigma, a methodology that blends two powerful strategies, Lean and Six Sigma, to improve performance by systematically eliminating waste and reducing variation. Lean Six Sigma is a vital tool for businesses, used to streamline processes and maximize efficiency. Our insights today are inspired by the Lean Six Sigma Pocket Toolbook, a comprehensive guide penned by experts Michael L. George, John Maxey, David Rowlands, and Malcolm Upton. So are you ready? Dive with us into the world of Lean Six Sigma and its practical tools. Lean Six Sigma, a blend of two powerful methodologies, Lean and Six Sigma, can revolutionize your business processes. Let's delve into the key principles of this dynamic duo. Firstly, we have Lean. Born in the heart of the automotive industry, Lean is all about waste reduction. It's about streamlining your processes and getting rid of anything that doesn't add value to your product or service. But Lean isn't a one-time cleanup. It's a continuous journey of improvement, of always striving to do better than yesterday. Next up, we have Six Sigma. This statistical powerhouse focuses on the elimination of defects, aiming for near perfection. Six Sigma is obsessed with reducing process variation because in the world of quality, predictability is king. The more consistent your process is, the higher your quality. Now imagine the power when you blend Lean and Six Sigma together. You get a methodology that doesn't just aim to speed up your processes, but also to enhance your quality. It's about reducing waste, improving flow, eliminating defects, and reducing variation. And all of this leads to improved quality, increased speed, and reduced costs. So, whether you're making cars or coffee, writing software or sonnets, Lean Six Sigma can help you do it better, faster, and cheaper. With Lean Six Sigma, you can truly have it all: efficiency, quality, and speed. Now that we understand the principles, let's explore some of the top tools used in Lean Six Sigma. These tools serve as a compass in our journey towards operational excellence, guiding us through the intricate maze of process improvement. First up is the DMAIC model. DMAIC, an acronym for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control, is the heart of Lean Six Sigma. It's a structured approach that helps us identify the root cause of a problem, devise a solution, and ensure that the solution is sustained. Define the problem, measure its impact, analyze the causes, improve by implementing solutions, and control by maintaining the solution. It's like a roadmap, leading us from problem to solution in 5 clear steps. Next is the 5S system: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. This tool is all about organization and efficiency. Sort out what's necessary and discard what's not. Set in order by arranging items for easy access. Shine by cleaning and inspecting the workspace. Standardize by creating rules and standard operating procedures. And finally, sustain the new order by continuously applying these principles. The 5S system is like a cleanup crew, tidying up your processes and making your workspace a model of efficiency. The last tool we'll discuss today is the fishbone diagram, also known as the cause and effect diagram or Ishikawa diagram. This tool helps us visualize the many potential causes of a problem. Imagine a fish's skeleton, with the problem at the head and the causes branching out like bones. Each bone represents a category of causes, and each branch off that bone represents a potential cause within that category. It's like a detective's tool, helping us uncover the culprits behind our problems. These tools, when used correctly, can help you streamline your business processes and achieve your quality goals. They are not just tools, but powerful allies in your quest for operational efficiency. So pick them up, learn to wield them, and watch your processes transform. A Lean Six Sigma offers a powerful framework and tools to improve your business operations. We've taken a quick tour through some key principles and top tools that can help you enhance quality and speed in your business. Remember, each tool has its unique strength and application, and knowing when and how to use them can make all the difference. If your interest has been piqued and you're eager to dive deeper, we recommend the Lean Six Sigma Pocket Toolbook. Authored by experts in the field, it's a comprehensive reference that can guide you through the implementation of these techniques. It's a great resource to have at your fingertips, whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro. And remember, the journey towards continuous improvement is just that, a journey. It's about learning, experimenting, and adapting. So, keep your curiosity alive, your mind open, and your toolbox handy. Now we've covered some of the top tools in Lean Six Sigma, but what do you want to learn? Share your thoughts in the comments below.